Hi, welcome back. If you use Excel command frequently, you can add it to the quick access toolbar. You can even add commands to the quick access toolbar that is not in the ribbon. By default, the quick access toolbar is located on the left side of the Excel title bar. It usually contains the save button, the undo button, and the redo button. You can easily add additional commands to the quick access toolbar. For example, quick print or print preview. The number of icons that you add to your quick access toolbar is limitless, but I recommend that you only add a few of these that you use. You can add a new command to the quick access toolbar by simply right-click anywhere on the quick access toolbar and then choose to customize the quick access toolbar, or by clicking this down pointing arrow. You see a list of commonly used items that you can add to the toolbar. Let's add the print preview and print command. Click on it and done. Look here, the new button added to the right of the toolbar. Now click again the down arrow and click on more commands. This leads us to the dialog box. Excel options. Some of these items in the drop down list are popular commands and are on this list, but some commands are appearing inside all command lists. Let's do an example. Select save as from popular commands and click the add button. The save as command added to this customization quick access toolbar on your right. Press OK. Here is the button. Keep in mind that if you put a button on the quick access toolbar, it is always visible. If at a later time you don't need a command, right click and remove it from the quick access toolbar. Let's do it. If you add a macro to the toolbar, you can click the modify button to change the text and the icon of the macro. Finally, the easiest way to add command is to locate it in a tab. For example, right click on this fill color button and choose to add to quick access toolbar. The bucket was added to the toolbar. I always have my toolbar commands I tend to use the most frequently. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next video.